Welcome to this lesson on the law of segregation, one of the fundamental principles of heredity discovered by Mendel. This law explains how genetic information is passed from parents to offspring through a specific mechanism. Understanding this concept is crucial for grasping how traits are inherited and why offspring can look different from their parents. The law of segregation states a simple but powerful principle. Each parent organism carries 2 alleles for every trait. However, when reproduction occurs, only 1 allele from each parent is passed to the offspring. This means that while parents have a pair of alleles, they don't pass both alleles together. Instead, the alleles separate, and only one makes it into each reproductive cell. Before we go further, let's define 2 essential terms. First, an allele is simply a different version of the same gene. For example, a gene for flower color might have a purple allele and a white allele. Second, a gamete is a reproductive cell. In animals, gametes are sperm cells in males and egg cells in females. These are the cells that carry genetic information from parent to offspring. Every parent organism carries 2 alleles for each trait. We represent these alleles with letters. Capital A represents one version of the allele, and lowercase a represents a different version. These 2 alleles sit together in the parent cells. This pair of alleles determines the trait that the parent expresses. The key point here is that there are always 2 alleles present in the parent. Here's where the segregation happens. During a special type of cell division called meiosis, the 2 alleles separate from each other. The pair that was together in the parent cell splits apart. One gamete receives the capital A allele, while another gamete receives the lowercase a allele. This separation is what the law of segregation is all about. Each gamete ends up with only 1 allele, not both. Let's look at a practical example. Imagine 2 parents, each with the genotype AA. This means each parent has 1 capital allele and 1 lowercase a allele. When these parents produce gametes, each gamete can receive either the allele or the allele. So from each parent, we can get 2 types of gametes, one carrying A and one carrying lowercase a. We can predict offspring combinations using a Punnett square. The gametes from one parent are placed along the top, and gametes from the other parent along the side. When we fill in the squares, we see all possible offspring combinations. We get capital A, capital A lowercase a capital A, and lowercase a. Notice that the 2 alleles from each parent have separated and recombined in new ways in the offspring. Let's summarize the law of segregation. First, alleles separate during gamete formation through meiosis. Second, each gamete receives only 1 allele per trait, never both. Third, this separation happens randomly and independently for each trait. Finally, offspring inherit 1 allele from each parent, creating new combinations. This elegant mechanism explains how genetic diversity is maintained across generations.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.